Hi everybody, welcome back to Arm Candy. So today we've got another gorgeous Louis Vuitton to show you, and this is a Louis Vuitton Uzes in this damier ebene coated canvas, and I think this is my favourite. Damier ebene is my favourite Louis Vuitton print. I think it looks really cool, especially on this bag. So we've got double top handles in this smooth dark brown leather, and then we have got two exterior pockets, so they are flat pockets and they've got this buckle like strap closure, so I'll open it up and show you inside one of them. So just slip it open like that, and then in there, just nice and spacey, a practical little pocket at the front, and I'll get that closed back up. So inside we've got one flat zipped pocket at the back, there we go, and then another pocket on the other side as well. So the condition of this bag, we've called the exterior and the hardware good, and I'll show you why. So you can see for the most part that coated canvas is still in really nice condition, no marks or anything like that for me to show you on the front and the back and the sides, but the only places there is a few signs of wear is these corners. You can see they've just started to kind of show a little bit of scuff marks, but it's quite minor. There's not any major signs of wear to those corners, and then there's just a little mark on that base as well, you can see there. And then on this smooth dark brown leather on the flaps, there's just a few kind of scratches and marks, but again, very, very minor kind of hairline scratches, and not very noticeable, so it's still in good condition. Hardware is a similar situation, so you can see it's gold toned, but some of it has just started to show some signs of wear, some scratching, and maybe the colour is dulling a little bit. Again, on these loops on the straps, just a little bit of scratching, but other than that, it's still very nice and very shiny. The inside we've called fair, and it is mostly the kind of most significant sign of wear. You can see that mark there, just next to, on the bottom corner of that pocket, there's quite a big mark there, but that is the only kind of significant sign of wear on the interior. Other than that, it's just kind of, you can tell it's been pre-loved, like on the corners, on the edges, you can see it's just starting to darken a little bit, and there's a few marks along the base, very small marks, but again, it's mostly just that one mark there. It's kind of the most significant sign of wear on the interior. While you're here, don't forget to like this video, also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any gorgeous Louis Vuitton like this one that we have to show you. Coming with this Louis Vuitton, we've also got a Louis Vuitton dust bag to keep it protected while it's in storage as well. I will show you the size. If you wanted to know the exact measurements, you can go to the link in the description below. That's the link to shop, so it should hopefully take you directly to this bag. If it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. You guys love Louis Vuitton and it sells so quickly, so if that happens, then you can get on our request list, which you just do by getting in contact with us. Let us know that you love this bag, and we'll get you on our request list and send you through an alert next time we get in one like this, and then hopefully you can get in there quickly. So as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4". So by those two top handles, you could have it on your shoulder, and I've got on quite a chunky cardigan at the minute, but it still sits pretty comfortably on my shoulder there, or you can also have it on your arm like that, or handheld like a tote, and it feels very practical and sturdy, but while still looking very cool as well. Again, I just love that damier ebene print on that canvas. It looks very, very cool. So for more details on the bag, go to the link in the description below. While you're on our website, don't forget to sign up to our newsletter. You can do that by popping your email into the little box. Scroll to the bottom of any page, there'll be a little box that you can pop your email in, and we will send you through your welcome discount code that you can use on your first purchase with us. And also on our website you'll find the How to Sell with Us page. So if you have any bags that you'd like to sell with Arm Candy Bag Co, then you can get onto that page and you'll find all the details you need to know about selling with us. And that's all I have for you, so I'll see you later with some more Arm Candy.